Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your Redmi Note 15. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So if you use something metallic, then you can only damage the port even more. And if you use something non-metallic like a soft brush, then you won't damage it but only clean it. So this is what we want. Now, what you guys can do after cleaning your microphone port is test the mic in a voice recorder app. So, find a folder called System Apps or just find an app called Recorder. Now click here and start recording. Click while using the app and of course allow it to send you notifications. As you guys can see, now we are recording. We see the waves moving, so that means our microphone is working. I'll stop talking right now. And as you guys can see, they go in a straight line. So that's how we know that it works. So let's just save it now. Here we can also check it. Let's click allow. Notifications. So it definitely does work. Now, if it isn't for you, then what you guys can do is restart your phone to fix any minor glitches. So we can do that by pressing the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now swipe down to reboot and let go of your finger. As you guys can see, now the phone is restarting, so I'll see you guys in a couple of seconds once it's done. Now, after the phone restart, what you guys want to do next is go over and update your software as a last resort. So go over to the settings and now select About Phone right up top here. Click on the HyperOS and it will check automatically for you if you have any updates available. So I do not, but if you do, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.